Hi friends, today we will discuss about what is the difference between an acid and a base. So in this video, I have incorporated 15 differences between an acid and a base. So first, let us discuss the Arrhenius concept. So according to Arrhenius concept, an acid is a substance that can produce hydrogen ion, that is H plus ion, whereas a base is a substance which produces hydroxyl ion, which is OH minus. So this is the first difference between an acid and a base, that is explained by Arrhenius concept, that is an acid is a substance which produces hydrogen ion, whereas a base is a substance which produces hydroxyl ion. So now let us discuss another concept that differentiates an acid with a base, that is Bronsted-Lowry concept. So according to the Bronsted-Lowry concept, an acid is a species that can release a proton, that is it can release or donate a proton to another species, whereas a base is a species that can accept a proton. So this is the second difference between an acid and a base. So now let us discuss the third difference. It is a Lewis concept, that is according to Lewis concept, an acid is a species that can accept an electron pair, whereas base is a species that can donate an electron pair. So this concept was explained by Lewis. So the three main concepts and their differentiations are being explained earlier. So now let us discuss based on the physical properties like strength. So acid is a substance that has a strength which is based on the concentration of hydrogen ions, whereas base is a substance which has the strength based on the concentration of hydroxyl ions. So the strength of an acid is based on the hydrogen ion, whereas the strength of a base is dependent on the concentration of hydroxyl ions. So based on the physical nature, acids are corrosive, whereas bases are slippery in nature. So acids can cause corrosion, so it is corrosive, and whereas bases is slippery, so its nature is called slippery. So now let us discuss the physical state. So acids exist in solid, liquid and also in gas based on the temperature, as bases exist in solid state. One exception to this is ammonia. Ammonia exists in gas. Rest mostly all bases exist in solid state. Next we can see that acids are sour in taste, whereas bases are bitter in taste. So the next differentiation is based on the dissociation. So acids release hydrogen ions when it is dissolved in water, whereas bases release hydroxyl ions when it is dissolved in water. So next we can see based on the dissociation constant. So the dissociation constant for strong acids is -2, whereas the dissociation constant of strong base is 12. So now let us discuss the difference between an acid and base based on the pH value. So for an acid, the pH is always lower than 7. That is, the strongest acid is having a pH of 1, pH 1, whereas before a base it is always greater than 7. So the strongest base has a pH of 40. So now let us discuss some of the tests that help us differentiate an acid with a base. The most common test is the test with litmus paper. So for an acid, blue litmus paper turns into red, whereas for a base, a red litmus paper turns blue. So now let us discuss this second test, which is with phenolphthalein. So for acidic solution, phenolphthalein turns colorless, whereas for basic solutions, phenolphthalein turns pink. So now let us discuss the test with methyl orange. So based on the test of methyl orange, we can differentiate an acid with a base. That is, methyl orange turns red in acidic solution, whereas it turns orange in basic solutions. So now let us discuss the test with universal indicator. So the yellow and red colors indicate acidic solutions, whereas the blue and violet color indicates the basic solutions. So now let us discuss the reaction with metals. So acid reacts with metals to give hydrogen gas, whereas in bases they do not react with metals. So these are the 15 differentiations between an acid and a base. Hope this video was informative. For more such videos, do subscribe to our channel Biotech Simplified. If you like the channel, please like and share with your friends. If you have any video suggestions, please do comment it.